Alrighty. Sorted. Hi, everyone. Damn, it's almost like nothing changed between the swap over. Hi, guys. The raid didn't work for me. It should have. It was chill. Okay, what do we want to do? So over calling it nerd shit, Tubbo, it's okay. No operate. I need my laptop because I need my SSH key. What file system does Play.hosting use? We use NFS. We use an NFS mount. And then we save the servers as backup tar files and then call them when they're deployed. Okay. Okay, let me just set up my SSH key real quick. Oh wait, key export. Export to host. This is what I'll do. No. That's not what I want to do. Okay. I hate ads. Sorry. I believe I know where my SSH key is saved on this computer. Yes. Okay, cool. Okay, I got my key. And then basically I need to go onto the new server and I need to install the OS, install my server. I want, what flavor of Debian? I want Debian 13, please. I want to target group. Why is it JBOD? Why is it calling it JBOD? Customize the partitioning. No. Why did you change your profile picture, Tubbo? It's iconic. I didn't. Okay, so I want to install the OS on NVMe drive. Okay. JBOD. I know what JBOD stands for. And then, wait. Okay, yeah. Why is it giving me all this? Oh, insert your public key. Okay. Boom. Okay. Custom host name. Yes, type your host name. Okay, so this is play-fr-db-1. Wait, what? Host name must contain numbers, letters. Okay. Is that right? Play FRDB1. That is correct. Post installation script. Oh, I can give it a script. That's useful. I think that's fine. I think that's all I want to do. Give it my public key. Cool. Cool. And then I can just, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Confirm. Yeah. Installation in progress. Dude, I'll tell you what. VPSs are a lot fucking simpler than dedicated hardware, aren't they? You know what I'm saying? Like, VPS or VPN? I don't know anything. VPS, it stands for Virtual Private Server. And VDS is Virtual Dedicated Server. And then Dedicated is just bare metal. It's kind of how I'd think about it all. When are you going to DJ again? I don't know, dog. Can we chill with my phone? Running a hardware reboot. God damn, this takes fucking forever. Bro. I gotta get the VPN set up before I can start showing you guys, because otherwise it will leak the public IP of the database. Which will not be lit. Do you pay for Google Drive after getting your NAS? I don't think so, no. But I do pay for G Suite, which comes with Google Drive storage, because I want the email service. G Suite is way too expensive. I'm sorry. Bro, G Suite's awesome. I don't know what to tell you. I got 4 users in my organization. It's only 28 quid a month. And it's great. Can I get kiwi at tubbomail.com reserved? No. I don't think so. Literally just make a mail server and connect it to your mail client. No. I don't want to make a mail server. I have other... Listen, bro. Stuff like my emails is too important for it to go down. And a server I set up will go down and will need maintenance. My emails are too important, bro. Especially because it's like separate to the hosting stuff. It's like also my whole streaming career and my public email there and all my comms there. Like, it's too important to set it up myself and host it myself. It's also like notifications about like unauthorized logins and stuff. Okay. Is this still working? Is this still installing? This install's taking 1,000,000 years. Bro? Guys, how is this install still going? Why is this taking 1,000,000 years? Why is this taking 1,000,000 years? OVH's panel is so slow, I don't know how you use it. I'm an OVH warrior, what can I tell you? So I'm at college right now, I'm bored, so you're streaming, it's been a minute. I can't, just caught a stream, that's lit. Cool, fine. Fuck it, I'll say it. Mail server, he already is a mail server. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. How many domains do you own, Tubbo? Like 30. I'm not a fan of OVH personally. Loads of people say they're not a fan of OVH personally. But it's like Cloudflare. No one's a fucking fan of Cloudflare. OVH is just so big. Like, you get to a scale point where you need them. You know? Like, you get to a scale point where you need Cloudflare. You know? Like, you get to a scale point where you need Google. I don't know if you get to a scale point where you need Slack, but Slack's just nice. Oh, don't get me started on Cloudflare angry. I've only got 1 domain. Pin of shame. Not pin of shame, pin of pride. No one wants to use Cloudflare, you just have to. Yeah, because there is literally no one else in the world which has as much DDoS capacity as Cloudflare and as many points of presence. There's no one, bro. Does OVH have a free tier? No. That's not what it is. That's not what it is. You're looking for Oracle Cloud. To use WhatsApp on Grafana, you need to use a third-party app, which you have to pay for. Which third-party app and how much? I remember OVH Firewall, if you use the server with the same DC or DOS, in the same DC to DOS another server, it'll bypass the firewall completely. Yeah, that's not a thing anymore. That's like very 2016, I want to say. OVH internal attacks are very 2016. VRAC is pretty locked down now, I'm not going to lie. I just created a Telegram bot for notifications. I kind of want WhatsApp. Is that crazy? The exploit was used in TCP Shield way back when. I don't think that's possible because TCP Shield's whole network is GSL. So I'm not sure about that. Like, back then, oh, did they used to be OVH? I know that they have Cloudflare Spectrum now, as well as GSL. WhatsApp is superior. Yeah, I'd rather just pay a little bit for WhatsApp. They were an OVH. Yeah, they used to use a OVH network. TCP Shield. Damn, that's a while back. Isn't Kim Sufi hardware 6+ years old? If it works, it works. What's this? Messaging WhatsApp? Yes, this is... Loki, this is what I fucking want. This is what I want. Pricing. WhatsApp. Yes. Yes. Wait, country? United Kingdom. Can I just... United Kingdom? A number of messages during customer service window. What? 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 I probably will only get like 2,000 texts. Go with the auth one, authentication template, number of messages. I'll probably get like less than 1,000. Hey! Okay, I think my node's up. Oh, I have to like invoke this myself. Grafana webhook and WhatsApp API to alert message on WhatsApp. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god, really? Oh wow. Did he use Toodaloo? It's just a webhook from them, I think. Okay. Lit. It's pay as you go. It'll probably be like $1 a month minimum or something. That's lit. In your situation, though, I just say I can't be asked to move on. Yeah. Okay, so that's the vision. All right, should we see if this new server's set up? Let's give it a go. Give me IPv4. Cool. I'll do this just off screen real quick. And then what's the host name by default? Is it Debian? Debian? Add and continue. And then it's going to prompt me for a key. Save and continue. Oh, I'm so in. Okay, sudo su root. Boom. Boom. All right. And then I'm just going to... let me run install core packages real quick. Yep. Cool. And then let me run... Oh, I don't need node exporter on this box, do I? Wait, did I even need those core packages? Oh, it's just curl wget sudo. Okay. Nothing crazy. Okay, now I just need to add it to telnet and then relog, and then we can use it without leaking any IP addresses. Yay! And you guys can see. Admin console, add device, Linux server, tags, node exporter. Do I need it on node exporter? Teebs. It's a bit of a funny drop there. What happened there, Realm? Maybe a timeout of such? Seems to not be at the same time as anything. I love XDP. Yeah. I don't. Alright. Okay, I'm just enabling Tailscale on it. Give me a sec. Oh, you bought the Kim Sufi server? Yeah, I did, because this thing ran out of storage again and I wiped all my metrics. Okay, so now I believe I can exit out of that, and if I just come in here and type play-fr-db-1 and whack that in like that, and then put in root, add and continue. Nice. Okay, cool. So let's do ls-blk. Cool. Okay, so we have our disks. We need to set up a... Remember to update the system. Holy shit, you have so many hosts. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we should probably do an apt update and stuff. Nice. Raid 0. I think we're going to do raid 5. It doesn't hurt. That's still 18 terabytes usable, if I remember correctly, with raid 5. That doesn't work. Do raid 5, those old hard drives can never be trusted. That's what I'm thinking. If it's bare metal, why not use ZFS? Because I don't know what that is, and I'm doing it my way. Lit! I wonder what the power on hours on those are. No idea. Why am I not able to rewatch after? I would love to be able to rewatch streams like this. I don't know, it doesn't work. What's the point of this Termius? Snippets! Yes! That's the point of this Termius. Okay, guys, how do I set up the raid? Actually, I can probably just Google this. I don't know why I'm asking you guys. I can probably Google this. Oh, first, let's get it on Hetrix. Uptime monitor, add monitor, monitor type, heartbeat, server agent, play-fr-db-1. Okay, add monitor. Run agent as root, copy, and bang. Cool. But what does it do other than being an SSH client? so much, bro. It syncs between my laptop and my computer with my credentials. It remembers all of my things. I can put them in folders. I can create snippets, which are basically like Ansible playbooks, but easier. Oh my god. You can send a snippet to fire on any server you want. You can also schedule snippets as well, which is lit. You can have, it's so good. You can do SFTP. It also stops you ever leaving since you can't export your hosts. Oh. That's why I got Tailscale. I actually don't even use them like that. Alright, database has been added. Who sent that DigitalOcean? Okay, article, cool. Well, I think if I LSBLK, I don't think these are mounted yet to anything. Yeah, so I can just go on. I can just go on and I don't even need to zero this. I just need to wait. So I need to make etc fstab? What? So an SSH client, but for the cloud? No, bro. I don't think so. I don't think that's right. I'm not gonna lie, this DigitalOcean article is not helpful. Oh, creating the array. Okay, lit. I want RAID 5. Creating RAID 5. Creating a RAID 5 array. Creating the array. Okay. Dev, multiple disks, 0. Okay. And then I want to put, so dev / A, B, C, D, and D. Nathan, did you just log into the database for... Bro, that's crazy. That's crazy. W power on hours, almost 50,000 power on hours. So I want to create this RAID level 5 RAID devices 4, and then dev / C. Then I want to do at the end tier space dev / SDD. So that is sudo madam create verbose dev / multiple disk 0, RAID level 5 RAID devices 4, and then list those devices. Lit. Oh, rewrite bitmap to optimize recovery speed. You missed the slash before dev. Wait, let me cancel that then. Oh, you're so right. Thank you. Okay. Lit. To optimize recovery speed, it is recommended to enable an in-write. Should I just do that? Should I just do... Is that a yes? I think it's no by default. YOLO it? Alright, I'll fire off a no. Okay. So if I do LSBLK now. Nice! They all have multiple disk 0, which is 16.4 TB, I think that is. Which is 18 terabytes. And now I need to mount these. Creating and mounting a file system. Create a file system on the array. Okay, so that is that. Cool. Oh, wow, that's taking a while. No, it's thinking about it. It's just doing it. Just give it a sec. Watch one of the drives die while I'm building the array. That's crazy. Wait. Bro, this is so slow. What's it doing? What's it doing? What's it doing? Guys, it's writing super blocks and file system accounting information. Guys, what's it doing? Should this be taking this long? Nails. Guys. Okay, it's done. There are 5 years and 18 months old. That's nice. Okay, now we've created the file system. Let's create the directory. We'll do, yeah, mount and then MD0. That's good. Lit. And then we want to mount the array to that directory. Sorted. Oh, okay. It's thinking about that one. Okay, done. And then we can check if it worked. Hey! Okay, cool. That worked. You can check the array building process with cat, really? Oh, is it still going? You have to configure multiple servers. Why don't you use something like Ansible? Because I got Termius snippets. They do the same thing. Now create an etc fab entry. Add a new file mount systems options to XCT FSAP for automatic mounting on boot. Is that a command? That's what I've got here. Holy shit, these hard drives have no errors. Lit. Is that the command? That is certainly a way. Yes, good enough. Lit. Done. So, can I not use the array while it's building? Do I have to wait for it to finish? Probably. I think you can, I think. I was going to say I thought you can. You can, but it'll be slow. Yeah, okay, I thought it was. But it won't be proof of full performance. Okay, I thought that was the case. Now, I need to move everything from, I need to move everything from this server to this one. So what do I want? I need my system D services. Wait, it's not that easy just to move a Cloudflare tunnel though, is it? I'll probably have to reinstall it. So what do I want? I want my /opt/Prometheus. I want this folder. Oh, wait. cd/opt. I want this folder. No way this has 10 gigabit. What can I say, bro? What can I say? Glorious database node. Right, also, let me just add this on Hetrix to... Oh my god, the IO wait reporting on the server is crazy. Let me add the status page and then add this to uptime. Cool. And then let me change category. Oh, change category to be services set. And then if I go to Hetrix now, is that now in? Hey, play-fr-db1 is real. Maybe try Victoria metrics for this one. It's a switch in for Prometheus, but it's faster and uses less storage. It's easy to install too. What, you're saying use this instead of Prometheus? I don't know, dog. I know Prometheus well. I'm not trying to use... I'm not trying to use something experimental for my mission critical services. You know what I'm saying? I think stick to what I know. Stick to what I know how to repair as well. Dude, look at the IO wait. That's crazy. Does this say the... Oh no, it only shows the SSD. It doesn't show the other ones. Devastating. Look at the IO wait, bro. That's crazy. That's more IO weight than the main database, which is doing multiple gigabit. Okay, here's what I'm thinking. Is it worth... Are you getting France locations, though? In that case, is this co-located, or how's this working? This database is literally just metrics. This isn't a customer data database. This is, like, internal data. What I'm weighing up, is it worth me just reinstalling everything and then like on... Wait, do I have a... I do not have a Chrome tab under here, okay. Like, wait, why is Prometheus always on top? Oh no, because I literally have a Chrome tab here. Okay, right. Wait, what the fuck's happened here? Someone help. What the hell have I done to this? Stop. Okay, there we go. Like, as I'm thinking, is it worth me just exporting this dashboard and exporting the Prometheus config? And then, I don't know. And then also exporting my metrics manually. Just copy the configs. So I should do it, rebuild it all manually. Fuck. Unless you need historical data. I literally don't have any. I had to wipe it today because I ran out of storage and the server didn't boot. So there is no historical data right now. Hence these graphs look so ugly. When you learning KAS would make this like so easy. You can't say that, Nathan, when you don't even use Kubernetes yourself. And you have a way bigger deployment than me. I do? Liar. You told me you wanted to migrate to it. You told me you wanted to use it instead of pterodactyl. Yeah, well, not entirely. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. I don't know Kubernetes. It looks complicated. I learned about pods and that shit, but that's it. Learn. KAS is great. I saw a little bit of it on K3S, which is for Kubernetes for Raspberry Pis. I saw a little bit of that, but I don't really understand the application. Is that crazy? Like, so what? I just have my master Kubernetes node, like here. You don't need the redundancy. It's not very useful. And then, like, I deploy the database as a worker to the master. And then it deploys a pod, which has all of the containers for my Grafana, Prometheus, and, like, it has, like, all my containers in it, in that pod. And then I can, if I want to move that to a different server, I can just move that pod, and then everything will move with it. To my understanding is how it works. But I also don't know how to do Kubernetes setup on Tailnet, and all of this runs on Tailnet. So, what the hell do I even know? I'm gonna go fill up my water and go to the bathroom. I'll be right back. Does he pay for Tailscale or use the free tier? I pay for it. Okay. Where was I? Termius. I should probably just use SSH for this, shouldn't I? Oh, this has Node Explorer on it. That's weird. So I want Prometheus.yml. else do I want? I want slash etc. Then I want slash server status. There we go. Then I want these three. What else do I need from this server? I need my system D services. Wait, no, but I'll just need to install everything again. Do I have anything in VAR? No, I don't think I do. Damn, this is a hard transfer because I'm trying to think what I need. I feel like that's everything. And then I can just export the Grafana dashboard, right? Move? No. How do I? Okay. Under the page itself, administration, general. Oh, page edit. Oh, okay. Edit, settings, and then JSON model. And then this is my, okay, cool. Oh, it said export at the top. Oh, did it? Save dashboard. Okay. Oh, export. Export as JSON. That's what I wanted. Download file. Okay. And then what directory is my system D services in? System D. Oh fuck. /etc/system D. Yes, system. And then my services. Okay. I will reinstall Cloudflare. I want server status.service. And then I want, where is Wings? Not Wings, sorry. Where is Grafana server? What is server status? That's my application I made, which does the pinging manually. Where is Grafana.service? Maybe set it up on the new VPS. Okay, well, I've got everything I know I need. Oh, systemd system grafana.service. It's in lib? Why would it be in lib? It's fine. I'll just start reinstalling shit. Oh god, it's been a while since I've done this. Grafana setup guide. How to install Grafana? No. Grafana documentation? I want the I want download Grafana. How do I? Hello. I don't want to set up. Install Grafana. There we go. Debian or Ubuntu. Thank you. Okay. First, get the prerequisite packages. Okay. Cool. Next, import the GPG key. Okay. Cool. Let's try that again. Cool. To add the repository, please run the following command. Okay. Cool. To add repository for betas, run the following command. No, I don't want that. Would you always self-host, or would you colo in data centers be considered later? I don't even know, bro. I don't even know. It doesn't make enough money to do that. To install Grafana OSS, run this. Okay. Uh-oh. Just thinking about it. Sorry, I know this stream's kind of nerd-coded. I'm just kind of chilling. And then, wait. Okay, Grafana OSS installed. I don't need to install Grafana Enterprise. Can I just do system CTL enable Grafana now? Oh. Nice. System CTL start Grafana.service system CTL status Grafana.service. Nice. Okay. Is that someone else using Termius in real life? Hey. Damn, I got a load of first-time chatters like, no way your ass is using Termius. No way. Like, yes, bro. Yes, way. Mobex term. Nope. I'm not changing. You can't make me. So Grafana is installed, so I should be able to just see the blank dashboard now. Can I? What do I want? Play-fr-db-1 colon. Is it 9000? What's the Grafana port? What's the default Grafana port? It's not 1990. Oh, 3000. I was close. Well, that looks to be up to me. That's as up as Grafana gets. Okay, now from this server, I need my Grafana configs. Something tells me they're in CD. 1990s Prometheus, yeah. CD/lib. Oh, lib. Oh, lib slash. What the hell? What, am I stupid? CD/lib. ls. Anything in here that says Grafana? CD Grafana. No. Where's the Grafana config saved? I feel like it should be etc, no? I like Epic CPUs. That's fun. I'm glad you like Epic CPUs, Nathan. etc Grafana. Okay, thank you. So is Grafana.ini like the config for it? If I open this, is it going to show a bunch of unhashed passwords? I'm sure Grafana hashes passwords. It won't show it. Lit. So this has all my accounts I've made, and it will remember them. Well, because it looks like it's saved in a. It looks like it's saved to a database. No. No, all your accounts are in SQLite. That's the config, not the database. Well, I need the database of Grafana server to move to the new one. So is that provisioning, I guess? Oh, I should just take the whole provisioning. Yeah, I should just take the whole provisioning folder and move it to the new node, right? Why don't I just do that? I think var lib grafana db. Okay. This here. You're telling me that's all my Grafana data. Don't show it even if it's hash data. Someone should still try to guess the key and crack the database. That feels like a tall order. So that's all my Grafana data. Brill. That's your login information and stuff. Yeah, brill. That's what I want. Now I want a new SFTP instant. Leave. Actions. Close. Thank you. Now I want play dash fr dash db1. Cool. Speed test. Nathan, are you actually running speed tests on this node? Really? I've had it 5 seconds. I've had it 5 seconds. var slash lib slash var slash lib slash. Cool. And then I'm going to go in here. System. So, where grafana.db. Ram that in there. Okay, and then I want to system ctl start grafana.service. Now, if I go to play-fr-gb, oh no, fr/db 3000, it didn't fucking start. It didn't start. What happened? What happened? Oh. Database file has broader permissions than it should? Huh? Do I need to chmod the file? Okay. Chmod 640 it? Okay. Oh. Chmod slash var slash lib slash graph. Wait. Am I stupid? Well, wait. Have I done this wrong? I can't. Am I? What's the directory? Var lib grafana. That's what I did. Grafana.db. Okay. It's Chmod 640. Oh. Sorry, I forgot the 640 of that. Okay. That work? No. No, it did not. Unable to open database file, permission denied. What permission do I need to give the file? Am I stupid? What user slash group is it in? How do I check that? I think I uploaded it as root. Yeah, it's root. Do I need to assign it to the Grafana instance? Oh, Chone. Bro, of course it's Chone. Chone. We're back. So now I should be able to log in with my play hosting credentials. Copy password. Okay. Trust and paste. Hey! Okay, cool. Then I just need to go dashboards, new. Wait. Oh my God. Wait. No, this can't be right. It just works. It also saved all the other information too. Crazy. Wait, it's reading from the old... It's connected to the old Prometheus right now. What the fuck? Oh, someone is DDoSing. Yeah, Nathan, can you fix it, please? I see it. I see it. I see the packets. Can you fix it, Nathan? Thanks, Nathan. Lit. What the hell? Who owns Box 19? What the? Frito said he did already. Yeah, but it's a patch solution. I need something better than that. I need something which is per IP address, bro. Not just every single IP. Ban that IP and report it to the NCA. It is a container that I run. So that would be like reporting myself for DDoSing. It's someone who is hosting a container on the network. attacking someone out of the network. Hence, it's past packet and not blocked. Let me guess. It's against cheeseburger. Maybe it is. Check your Grafana in your data source. Also, has Grafana updated? Is this a new version? Because why is everything so rounded versus everything so square? Who made my Grafana freaking rounded? Who rounded the corners of my fucking Grafana? Look! What the fuck? Grafana got the Windows 11 update. I'm fucking pissed. Liquid ass. Wait, liquid glass looks so nice on MacBook and iPhone though. No, I don't. I think it looks so pretty. It's too transparent. I like it. I also like it. Maybe we're just scrubs. I should order some food before it gets too late. What do we got for food-wise at 9 o'clock? I'm still debating upgrading. I must admit, I don't have liquid glass on my phone or on my laptop because I haven't updated the OS because I'm lazy. I'll probably get Waggers because it's just tasty and easy. Noted, it's easy to hack your phone. Oh my god, Waggers, holy moly, holy moly. I'm not feeling gluttonous. I'm trying to do better portion control for what I eat. So, maybe just a little bit. Okay. 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 Why is delivery trying to... Okay, I've placed my food order. Now I can actually lock in again. What the fuck was I doing? Okay. So we have Prometheus on here now with my accounts and dashboard. No, not Prometheus. We need to install Prometheus. Okay. Installing Prometheus. Using Docker? No. No. Not using Docker. No. Why is there only a guide for using Docker? What the fuck? Am I using Docker? No, I'm only running Portainer. Use the app to install Prometheus. Oh. Oh, fuck! Wrong server. Oops. We redirect their attacks back at them. Lit. W mitigation. W fucking mitigation. Wait, is it called Prometheus Node Export? What the fuck are all these services? What? Yes, I did mean status. What the hell? Wait. Why is there no Prometheus directory? Am I stupid? You can enable dash dash now. Oh. It's under ETC? What? Why? Okay, that's crazy. What the hell? Why is my config in a different folder on my other? Why is it in opt on this one? What the hell? Wrong server. Let me just check what this file is before I... Why are you setting up a new database for metrics? Where is... Hello? Where did I install Prometheus.yml to? Downloads? What the hell? I literally just saw it in S. What's it? What is this? User documents. I'm in documents. What the hell? Where is it? View. Show. What? Huh? That's under OneDrive? Oh, God. How do I get documents not under OneDrive? Why is the default OneDrive? I fucking hate Windows. Okay, let's have a look at this. Oh, this will have IP addresses in it. Don't leak the token. I'm not looking for the token. Oh, wait, you mean the API token for Donut Shield? Yeah, I'm not, bro. Okay, where do you set the file path? Path for what? Where it stores the data. Because I need it to not save it to the NVMe and instead save it to the massive fucking RAID 5 array. Okay, so I should now be able to do... If I go to here, go to... What the fuck? Why does it look like that? What the fuck? Why does it look like that? Guys? That's normal. Mine does not fucking look like that. 18, 25. Okay, that makes sense for it to be down. doesn't have a flashy UI. What the hell? The one I have installed has a flashy UI. This one just looks like terrible. If you can change the store path, you have to edit your system start exec. Oh, okay. This. Okay. 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 Where's that message which told me what I need to do? Then you add option dash dash store. Okay, to what? Wait, this is all hashed out. Yo, thank you for the 7 months. Also, thank you guys for the 2 primes earlier. That's crazy. This isn't even really my main Twitch channel. Crazy sauce. That's empty. Typo? Oh, okay. I see. Okay. Then I need to put... Oh, wait. There's an arguments variable here. Yeah, edit / etc default Prometheus. Okay. I see. File environment. Wait, no, are you sure that's not where it pulls? Oh, wait. Unless... So I'm in etc Prometheus, not etc default Prometheus? Is that something else? No, that's not a path. That's not a path that exists. It's a file, not a path. Oh, so it's just default then? Oh, and then it has Prometheus. And then this is the database here. So nano that file. Why? There's nothing in there right now. Oh no, that's where the VARs are. Oh, okay. Ah, and then I want to add the file path. And then I want to set this to, oh God. Is it mount? Mount, yeah! Yes! That's the file path I want. You can also set the retention. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Life is beautiful. I'm actually going to set it to 90 days because we got the storage now. Also be sure that whatever user Prometheus use has write and read access to that folder. Right. So, what do I want to check? Oh, make a folder, cool Prometheus. Oh, okay. Okay. Like that? Can't access. Oh. Lit. Then we go back to this, and then on the end here. Oh, nice system. And is that running with the new arguments? So if I go... Lit! Wait, is that right? Okay. Right, we're getting somewhere now. Now we need to go onto here. And we need to... oh God. What do we want? Authentication? No, I need my sources. Connections. Data sources. Okay, and then I need to change that to be play fr dash db dash 1. Save and test. Nice. So now if I go to dashboards. Wait! Is everything querying? Wait, this shouldn't be querying because this isn't running. Wait, what? How's this working? Wait, what? How's it querying that when that's not running here? Oh no, because it's this is returning 0, which means this is summing Donut Shield Online and Hightail players. So this would give a different sum here to if I go here, these should be giving different sums. So this is giving 800, this is giving. Okay, well that's just not right. Well, something here is not right. I know what's not right. I know what's not right. Even though it's swapped to the new Prometheus. Oh, wait, I think my food's here. Almost. Let me see. Yeah. I think it's... Yeah, okay. Let me go back in here and then do cd and then cd slash etc. Then mkdir server status. cd server status. Okay. And then I need to go into that here. Okay, I fucked up. Typo. And then I need to add server status old, and service.com. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go get my food. I'll be right back. I'm back. Hmm. 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 Wait, I can put services in this folder, right? System D system. I can put services in here, right? Yes, you just need to target it in the system CTL file. Okay. Did that upload? I don't see it. Oh yeah, so okay. So where's the system CTL file? It's just /etc. But what's the name of the file? Is it systemd.conf? Oh, sysctld? Oh, it should be services under oh. And then I don't see services. Sudo systemctl enable your service. Oh, I don't need to actually put it in there. Oh. Oh. Let's see if that worked then. What's this? Play dash fr-db dash 1:7500/API/metrics. Something tells me that didn't work. Because that worked there. What happened? Bestie? You do sudo? Oh. That still didn't work. It doesn't really say anything. Oh, it's not an executable. Lit! Now. Nice. That's working. Will Tubbo notice Captain Wu-Tax today? Tubbo, hey Wu-Tax, what's up? What's up? I'm making a new database right now. It's a pain. Okay, now I just need to, in this file, nano /etc/prom. I miss running everything on your servers so much. We're getting DDoS so bad. I didn't have to worry about that last time. Wait. Wu-Tax, do you need TCP or UDP DDoS prop? Is it a flood or is it Minecraft layer 7? Because I might have someone who can help you. Initially layer 7, but there's not a sin flood now. Ah! Do you have 200? Do you have, what's your monthly bandwidth, actually? What's your monthly bandwidth looking like? We are so GPUing, adding GPU to the cluster. Lit. Sorry, I need to nano this config file real quick. And then I need to change the API metrics. Then I just change this to be play fr-db-1. And then I'm going to change my scrape interval of everything else to 1 second. System CTL restart Prometheus. All right. Let's see if that worked. It's 50 gigabytes a day. Originally, we're at like, we're at full 5 terabyte for DDoS though. Cloudflare just dumped it. Wait, yeah, well, don't pay for Cloudflare for Minecraft, bro. Wait, literally, Wutax, I know someone. Give me a sec. And what, is this for Cobblemon Public? Wait, well, something isn't right there. Yeah, Cobblemon Public and our API servers. Okay. Yo, could you on... OVH help with public, but need to move the API back to your stuff though. Okay. Well, so wait, so is public on OVH? What were you on before then? Because, wait, do you want me to message this person? Because I was going to message Nathan, because he does DDoS protection. He does literally all of mine. He's goated. Public probably can't move off OVH right now. It's the whole infrastructure thing. Yeah, but is the public on OVH being impacted by layer 7 or not? Because OVH is just like layer 3 and 4 in UDP flood. What is going on with this? This is not right. This can't be a right scrape. This is something incorrect has happened here. I think it's counting 2. Yeah, not sure. We don't have monitoring on the public boxes, but on the API one, I was seeing some attempts at layer 7, they switched to Sin Flood. Ha! Okay. Is it a public API? Yeah, it's a public API. Would you recommend TCP Shield? No, I absolutely would not. TCP Shield have kind of been shit in the bed recently, low-key. Do you want me to make a group chat with you and Nathan? Yeah, I heard the outages are happening in October. Yeah, I don't know if it's resolved or not yet though. Do you want me to make a group chat? Because I can, and then you can get the technical. Yeah, that'd be great. Okay, I got you. There you go, bro. Chat so bad, streamer makes a group chat with Cook. Thanks, King. No worries. Oh, it fixed itself. It was just being stupid for a sec. Okay, lit. Okay. Well, okay, this dashboard looks like it's kind of set up now. What's the last thing I need to do? Oh, Cloudflare tunnel. I wonder what caused that. Hi, Pizzo. Hi, I'm editing into an oblivion right now. Are you... you are my co-working partner. Stay all live all night, thank you. Okay, Koi. This is also a co-working stream. I've just set up this new database. Bro, can we stop with the annoying spam? I'm giving you 30 seconds. I'm actually giving you 30 seconds. I know you're a regular, but like, bro. Can we just have singular messages? Please. Dang, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. I'm getting irritated because I've got too much in my brain that I'm trying to remember to check before I do this Cloudflare swap over, and the spam wasn't helping. Koi, come on, bro. Come on, bro. What happened to editing? What happened to enjoying the co-working stream? And can we also stop talking about Charlie Kirk in chat, please? I'm not sure I'm a fan of the Kirk memes, because I feel like I don't know. I have complicated feelings about it. It's kind of how, like, what was that other thing which turned into a joke, and like it kind of undermined how much of a terrible person it was. That person was. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's kind of how I feel about, like, the Epstein file jokes, because it kind of, like, trivializes, like, no, dude. He was a human trafficking pedophile. Like, you know what I mean? That's kind of like, you know what I'm on about? I don't know. Maybe I'm just a fucking wimp, but whatever. I feel like that's reasonable. Even if I am a fucking wimp. So I can block it as a term again? No, it's fine. We just don't need to talk about it. We don't really need block terms on alts, because if you say something that pisses me off, I'll just tell you to stop saying it and you won't say it. Lit. Okay, I'm gonna bring down grafana.play.hosting. Because this is all running with the old shit. And also, it takes so long to query. Like, this is so much faster to query. Which is so nice. Okay, I'm gonna bring this down now. Oh, I pray there isn't anything still being used on this VPS. Because then I'm going to reinstall it. And then I'm going to add it to the live stream CDN pool, I think's the plan. Okay, let me delete that tunnel. Okay. So now if I refresh this. Okay, well I've deleted. Okay, how's this working? Because I've just deleted the tunnel and the record's still working. Okay. Lit! I love when I really understand how the infrastructure works. Oh god, I'm so tired. I feel like I've been working on so much at the minute, and I feel like I've been working on so much, but also like I've let so much shit slip through the cracks, you know what I'm saying? At the same time. I think, low-key, maybe I'm just a bit overwhelmed. Is that crazy? So now if I refresh this, okay, it's still working. Not what I want. Okay, it still works. Why does that still work? The reason the double player count is from Prometheus staleness. When you switch the target, oh, okay. It was running the old target with the stale data. That's actually really useful advice. Thank you. I see. Because I was like, that's weird. It's exactly double. See, this is why I think you should chill out on the streaming platform for now. No, man. It's always like strike while the iron's hot. You know what I mean? That's kind of my philosophy with everything. But like, honestly, I took like a week off at like Christmas, but like it didn't feel like a break because I was so locked into doing the realm the whole time I wasn't streaming myself. Like, I feel like I'm running out of brain bandwidth. You know what I'm saying? I feel like the longer I'm locked in, I'm like running out of brain bandwidth. It's almost like my brain's only got a 1 gigabit line and I'm trying to push like 10 gigabit. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting timeouts. Gotta get some IP transit for my brain, bro. Some spinal transit. Damn it. No, I'm gonna really lock into live streaming in February, though. Like, January's always a bit slow going for me. I'm gonna get back on doing my shorts, doing my silly little talking videos. I was in a really good groove until, what put me off my groove? I think it was TwitchCon. Yeah, TwitchCon San Diego threw me off my talking video groove. Because I was in a good groove. But I don't think I'm going to be going to America anytime soon, so that's good. The subathon? Oh, the subathon also severely damaged my groove. Now, is the subathon? Nah, but the subathon, that one broke my recording groove. Wait, what the fuck? That's just not what I got. Cool. I miss computers. Me too, bro. Is play hosting free? How does it generate money? It generates a little bit of money from here. So, this is the ad rates of play.hosting. So we get a little bit of money from here. Every single month. And then I get a little bit of money from here. Where just go billing affiliate. So this is yeah, so this is in the last month here as well from affiliate. So not bad. And then the MMR of private customers on Play.hosting is around. I saw that you're in the Pay Now Discord. Are you using that? We moved away from TebX to Pay Now and they've been great. Oh! Woo tax. Don't even get me started on how great Pay Now is, bro. They're so good, bro. Is it enough to pay for the servers? The servers cost around $1,000 a month in energy now. And Play.hosting makes around 2.8 grand a month. No, 1.8 grand a month. So it makes around an £800 surplus every single month. But obviously, as free hosting has expanded a lot, so free hosting has gone from being 3 boxes to... How long should I expect the queue to be on average on Play Hosting when I create a server? I try to queue and it's 340. Well, right, the queue is literally average less than 10. So there's always less than 10 people in the queue. Like, always. The queue should literally take you like 1 or 2 minutes on average. But obviously when the service is disrupted, the queue will stall. And it will stop new servers from being deployed. And if there's like any network instability and the database isn't sure about transferring the files, it will stall the queue. This is an alt stream, then everything's on fire and it takes a bit longer. Well, hopefully not anymore. Oh, dang. I tried like 2 weeks ago, but it must have been something weird. We really only have got it good recently because of the Hightail launch. So the Hightail launch, we deployed 12 new servers to the pool. So we had 3. We now have 14 and 1 sadly died. So we have 15 in total in the pool. So yeah. Pretty nuts. I'm just going to the bathroom and go fill up my water. 1 sec. It smells like food in here. I'm gonna take this stuff out. 1 sec. Normally it just smells like Red Bull and dust. I'm actually going to zoom this out a bit, because I feel like I'm very zoomed in when I sit down. That's actually better. So, Tubbo, is the supplier sending you new PSUs so you scale it back to 100%? Yeah. That must be a metric mistake. Ignore that downloading something. Yeah, okay. That makes sense. I'm like, that can't be right. The only way we'd be able to pull more than 2.5 gigabit on bytes passed is if we were installing it on the tunnel termination at OVH, because that has 50 gigabit. So I'm like, that's funny. That's funny. I guess as a yes to the PSU question, yes, what they've done is they've requested one box go off to be entirely RMA'd so it can be tested in the exact configuration I have it deployed. Then they're going to fix that one, send it back with a technician who will then fix all the others. They're actually been really, really good. The server group's actually kind of cracked, I'm not going to lie. Sorry. I'm still here. W Lee. W tech support. W tech support. No, it's not Lee. Lee's not the technician. That's my dad. So does Grafana.play.hosting? What? Why do I keep getting forced into Google AI? Fuck my life. Okay, good. The DNS record propagated. Okay, let's... Sorry. I'm crashing out for no reason. Fucking Gemini. Loki, I think Gemini is currently bigger than ChatGPT, no? In terms of usage. Oh, God. AI depresses me. Oh, God. AI depresses me. Networks. Overview. Manage tunnels. Create new Cloudflare tunnel. Oh, my gosh. Bash Bunny? Thank you so much for the 520 viewer raid. Oh, God. Are you guys programmer heads? Have I got a bunch of programmer heads joining? What is a Minecraft? What is a Minecraft? Yeah, that's me. Hey, guys. Oh, gosh. Welcome to my stream. We are programmers also. Oh, God, that's crazy, because I'm not really. If any of you wonder what I do, I run a free hosting company called Play.Hosting, and what makes it so interesting is it's all self-hosted in my back room in here. So, basically, yeah. basically, what I do is I boot up when the user creates an account, they select to create a server, which creates a Docker container, which is using an interface called Wings, which connects to Pterodactyl, which is a Minecraft server container manager, which then deploys an egg, which is the Minecraft egg, which then the user has access to. Today, what I've been doing is I've built a new database. So Docker, why not Podman? Because it's all built on Docker. Like this is set in, like I can show you. Let me log into my account here. So this here is the server control panel dashboard. So this is the admin dashboard. You can see I've got 274 active containers right now spread across these nodes. However, in the database, I've got 101,000 containers. And basically, each container is a user's Minecraft server. So in total, there's been like 750,000 servers created, but actively stored on like hot storage in NFS. That means they've been used in the last 90 days. There's around 101,000. So these then join a queue, which is like here. And then once they're in that queue, that also outputs to an API point, which I can scrape with Prometheus here. That then will get deployed to one of these nodes. If I open, you're going to have to give it a time to query because it uses, I think it uses Mayanara DB or however it is. So you can see all of these nodes here, which have auto deploy next to them. And then I've got, this one's not really down. It just fails the heartbeat. This one is down that I need to fix. This one's also off for RMA. Oh, MariaDB, that's it. That's what I'm on about. So it takes a long time for everything to query, especially with this many different port allocations. So yeah, so then once someone joins the queue software will then see which one of these nodes is the least utilized based on RAM, because Minecraft... are you using Cloudflare tunnels for all that traffic, or have a separate internet line for that box? Oh boy. Oh boy. You really want to know how the networking of it works? So, because all of these run in my house, I obviously can't give so I have a dedicated fiber lease line from a fiber supplier in Brighton, because I'm Brighton based. And obviously I can't give out the public IPv4 address of that line, otherwise it will get DDoSed and saturated, and it's an ingress. Don't static IP address your house Wi-Fi. Oh, it is static. So basically, the router, which runs in part of the core layer with the Astrista 7050QX. Actually, I might have let me open up Google Photos. I might have a photo of what the setup looks like. So because people often think I'm bullshitting when I say this runs in my house, but like, on God, no joke, this runs in my house. Yeah, okay, here it is. So I'm not bullshitting. This is my deployment here, which runs in my back room. This is before I had it wired up correctly. So this is the core layer here, the 7050QX, which is then split out into two 7050SXs here. This one here has a router on a stick, which terminates a GRE tunnel, which then connects to our OVH reverse proxy, which has a 50 gigabit ingress. And on that reverse proxy, it runs layer 7 XDP filtering, and that's the pass bytes, block bytes you can see here. How much RAM? This here right now, so I've got 2.7 terabytes of DDR5 5600 mega transfers being used, and I have 888 gigabytes of DDR5 remaining in the pool to be utilized. So we've got around 3.5 terabytes of DDR5 5600 right now. Tubbo get an IT degree when? I think I'd rather die than go back to school. This is all self-taught, so it's a little bit dodge. But if you want to see the node count, you can see it here. So this is our CDN pool. So this is 3 VPSs in America, 2 in Germany, 1 in France, and then our GPU node, because we're working on doing some live stream distribution. This here is our private hosting. So these are for people who have rented out. This is for people who have rented out dedicated hardware to host their own big networks. So that is the private pool. The public pool is those auto-deploy boxes. As you can see, there's 11, 12, and then all the 20s, 25 off for RMA, 3 is down. And then the services, which is the main database, which stores user data with no redundancy. It's actually running RAID 0 right now. So that's something I need to fix at some point. And then this VPS used to be my old metrics database, but it's gone down like 3 times in the last 2 days because WOVH. And this French VPS, I believe, is running Realm SMP BTSs. Fix it before it crashes. Oh, no. It's a networking fault on OVH's end. They've had it for like the last 5 days. Ubuntu, everything here is Debian 13. How dog water is the OVH dashboard, bro. Yeah, everything here is Debian except for the reverse proxies, which do run Ubuntu. So what I've been setting up today is this node here, which is our first French database, which is going to be an internal database, which will replace the metrics VPS. So yeah, this is what I do. This is my deployment. This photo actually doesn't have the database node in it. Do you have a dashboard? Yeah, it's here. Oh, do you have a Discord server? Sorry, I can't read. Yeah, discord.gg/Tubbo. Okay, but yeah. Which VPS company do you use? OVH. Bro, OVH VPSs are unmatched right now. Oh! Sorry. That it auto-filled to my dashboard. No. Dude. These VPSs are so freaking sexy. Look at these. Ignore the stats. Ignore the RAM. Ignore the cores. The only thing I want you to look at. $5.99 a month. 1 gigabit public bandwidth, unlimited traffic, except for in Asia. Oh my god. VPS 2? VPS 2 is beautiful, bro. What? Symmetric gigabit. Unlimited traffic, except for in Asia. Oh, chef's kiss. So, that's what, these VPS deployments here are VPS 2s. For 6 gigabit traffic, which is around, judging by my calculations I've got on a whiteboard here, 6 gigabit is roughly 1,800 of live viewer CDN capacity. So, Hertzner is also an interesting host. I can't use Hertzner because there's no DDoS protection. OVH VAC, none of my shit would exist without OVH VAC. But yeah, where was I? I was setting up a Cloudflare tunnel. A tunnel named Grafana. Grafana save tunnel. A tunnel of this name already exists. Okay, so I'm a stupid brick. Connectors. Okay. Oh my god, it does. Oh, but it's down because I deleted the record. Okay, so I should delete that. Oh, wait, HP1's down? Okay, so what if I'm sad? What can the API on Play Hosting actually be used for? I couldn't find much info. The API... there isn't really an API for Play Hosting, I must admit. Like, what we have, if I go play dash fr dash db dash 1:7500, like, this is the API I made, which just tracks play accounts of Minecraft servers. Yeah, like, I thought there was a way to generate API keys. Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. It's not that kind of hosting solution. People don't... we create the content... Oh, Pterodactyl API. Oh, yeah, the Pterodactyl API you can do loads with. The Pterodactyl API you can do loads with. How much dedicated hosting for on-play hosting? How do you handle DDoS protection? That's Nathan in chat. This guy. That's his domain. He does it all. It's mainly just leveraging OVH VAC. And that's all I'll say, because trade secrets, bruh. Trade freaking secrets. The less you know, the better. Okay, why is my Cloudflare 1 dashboard froze? Create a tunnel. Cloudflared. Grafana. Save tunnel. Do you use Nginx for reverse proxy? Dunno. Do not know. Sorry. Sorry, I'm just installing Cloudflare. Give me a sec. Bro, no. Nathan says no. No, we do not do that. Okay. Is this up? Okay, cool. Connector is up. Subdomain. Play.hosting. And then I want Grafana. And then I want the port to be local host. And then colon 3000. Localhost colon 3000. Is that right? Local host. Yes. Complete setup. Did that work? Moment of truth. Colon 3000. I'm a bit done with this stuff, but it looks interesting. Don't worry, me too. If not localhost, 127.1 would also work. I think my system's in host mode, so wouldn't it be 0.0.0.0? So now, is this behind Cloudflare access? Oh, wait! Oh, binds to all interfaces, not to connect. Oh, okay. Uh-oh. Wait, did this not work? Wait. This should be behind Cloudflare access. Give me an SSO portal. What's happening? Bruh. What's happening, bruh? L Wi-Fi? It's not my Wi-Fi. It's something else. Google steals all your data and pays them for it. Wait, that is the catch. That actually is the catch. It's on Cloudflare access. Oh, are you guys getting stuck behind Cloudflare access? Lit! Okay, so if you guys go to grafana.play.hosting, you're just met with the access page. Oh, that's so awesome. Mine's just doing some weird caching. Okay. That is... I am so... Oh. No, it's also still not working. It's kind of crazy that Cloudflare has a reverse proxy into like half the internet. Yeah, I'm getting Cloudflare access. Well, maybe it's just not propagated on my end. Works for me. You gotta close all Google windows. Motherfucker. But I love my Google windows. Shows sign up, sign in. That's good. That's what I want, because that's our internal metrics. So no one should still got one open. Damn, I got everything open. What is Cloudflare access? Basically, I whitelist Google accounts that So like I said, I use G Suite. So, nice. Nice! That's awesome. Okay. Fire. So this new database is set up now. Nice. So yeah, basically, if you have a Google org, you can... What's this? Metric might not be a counter. Does not... Okay, whatever. Well, actually, whatever. Did you make sure Prom is actually writing to the array? Yep. Not the 500 gig SSD? Yeah. What I do realize, I do want to go into Hetrix now, though. Uptime monitors, and then this database. And I want to... Yes. Which mount do I want to show? I want to show... I think this mount. Yes. As the main one, because this is not... Disk usage is... I don't know what that is showing. I think I want that mount, yes. So now if I just... Oh, no auto refresh. So now if I go into status, can I see the mount I want? It just says 5%. Yes! Okay, cool. Lit. It is tracking the right mount. Cloudflare use set a firewall on the edge, so you can only have certain users, certain IPs of access. Europe. I don't even have a 1,000 gigabyte hard drive. Listen, man, that's tough. Wow, this uses a lot more. The scraping uses a lot more CPU than it did on the VPS. I guess that's because it's an older Xeon. Oh, also the 1 second scrape interval is also... Oh, it's also the array is still building. True. What are you scraping? Hey, Darapchu. I'm scraping... You look at numbers all day. Yeah, effectively. I'm scraping... I've got my own API, which tracks global players. Scraping panel metrics, so that's public online, Hightail hosting queue. Scraping... every single deployed node's interfaces, which gives me total bandwidth from Node Exporter, and then scraping the interface of the reverse proxy, which gives me the public traffic over the lease line. And then this here is Donut Shield, which is layer 7 DDoS protection for the realm public. So this is tracked here because I pay for this bandwidth, and then this here is my collective bandwidth on my lease line over 30 days. But obviously I lost all my data, so the aggregated amount is only 190 gigabytes. Very over the top, but... Wait, Oh, out of the loop, sorry. But is this for your Minecraft server? This is for my 700,000 Minecraft servers. Keep in mind, you're also doing software raid, so that uses CPU. Yeah. I mean, yeah, I wasn't paying for a HBA card for a Kim Sufu server, or however you pronounce it. Kim Sufu? Kemsufi? I don't know. Kim Sufi, that's it. Kim Sufi server. Kim Fusu. Whatever it's called. Kim Sufi. So would you recommend OVH Cloud? Yeah, if you can deal with an ass slow fucking panel. Yeah. Yeah, I guess I'd recommend OVH Cloud. But then again, I only really use OVH UK. So maybe Like, maybe OVH and the rest of the world fucking sucks. Custom layer 7 sounds so good. Oh yeah, Wu-Tax. Actually fiending for DDoS prop. Okay, what else did I need to do today? I wanted to set up Grafana text alerts. That's what I want to do. It's saying OVH Cloud UK is out of stock. Did you buy them all? Oh, for VPS? Yeah. I actually bought so many. It fucking sucks in APAC with their support, Tubbo. Oh, really? You just probably have to spend enough to get an account manager. Hey! I don't have one, but that's kind of how those things go. You're just in an account manager. You literally stole my joke. But you actually have one, so that's fucked. I actually got 2. Well, share then, asshole. What, you have an American one and then a Europe one? Oh yeah, is my sub SMP fixed? No, Durapchu. No, it is not. The server is still down. Oh, wait a minute. I might just actually have to press the power button on it because we power cycled the room. Give me a sec. Nah, low-key, the server's on. I've got no idea what's wrong with that server. It's so old and it's running Proxmox, so like... Oh, it's probably because 99.9 SLA Durap is questioning right now. Actually, on my website, in my terms of service, I actually have a 26% SLA. And if it falls below 26% SLA... you can redeem a selfie of me smiling in Discord. And so far, I've had one person claim that SLA. Proxmox takes time to start up, but it works like a charm normally. No, bro. Proxmox fucking sucks for this. I'm not even being funny. We used Proxmox at the start, and it was so bad. Like, player drops. Like, the servers would just leak and crash. And, oh. Did you deliver, though? Yeah, I sent this photo of me selfie taking a selfie as per the privacy policy. $26% SLA. Sheesh. Loki, I can't help but feel something may be fishy afoot. It's a free product, so that makes sense. Yeah. Well, will I know if the server comes back online? Yeah. 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 Okay. Yeah. I think I've moved everything off of that VPS now. I think I can reset it. Should I reset it or should I cancel it? I feel like I should just reset it because there's currently no VPSs available in the UK. So like if I cancel my UK VPS, they'll put it back up and someone else will snatch it. And then if I want a UK VPS, then I can't get one. I feel like I should just put it in the CDM pool. But also, it's had so much instability. Wait, what do you mean it's down? Wait, is it down right now? Wait, what? No. It's up. Why is it reporting down? Did it actually just go down again? This is what I'm saying. Something's up with the OVH London VPSs. Because this isn't my network. First time chatter, worm plus. Hey, I love to learn about networking. You've come to the wrong place. I know literally nothing about it. Literally my knowledge. Dude, most of my stuff just saying partial outage on brand. No, because why is that actually on brand as hell? No, because why is that so on brand for me? What are you running on the VPSs? Crypto mining. Crypto mining. Nah, they're part of a live stream. A live stream CDN Kubernetes cluster, which is going to be used for this. What kind of database are you setting up? I set up a database node, which is running this metric service and Prometheus. It's running Grafana and Prometheus. Are there any good alternatives from Proxmox for free? Just don't use Proxmox. Just use Docker. Just don't use Proxmox, bro. Thanks for the raid, Sappho Freya. I appreciate it. Welcome on in. No, literally, just use Docker. KAS? Bro, I don't know Kubernetes. I'm not learning it. I'm not learning it. I'm not learning it. Just use Docker. It's fantastic. If it can sustain my 700,000 users service, it's good enough for projects and hobbying. Docker is fine. Why not use LVMs on Proxmox? No, you don't get it. We used Proxmox and we used LVMs and it was so bad. It was so bad. Constant disconnections, constant crash, unnecessary overhead, OOMs, everything, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No. That's the perfect way to describe Docker. Fine, I know. Who suggested Kubernetes? I can commit war crimes, bro. I like a good Debian 13 install. I use Debian 13. Yo, same. That's my distro of choice. Name the channel? I've got no recommendation. I just name my channels Tub something. I'm not using Hannah Montana Linux. I'm not familiar with Hannah Montana Linux. I love Debian. It's my favorite too. Ubuntu kind of, for me, is kind of meh. I also think Ubuntu's meh. I don't like using it, and I don't understand where anything is saved. You should try Hannah Montana Linux. I don't want that. I'm actually okay. Install this. No, bro, I'm actually okay. No, because I'm actually okay. No, because I'm actually so okay. That's crazy. Okay, what is my next class? I know I want to set up text alerts. That's what I want to set up. Who has the name of that service which let you do WhatsApp? I forgot the name of it. It was like cheap as hell though. Twilio. Okay. Okay. Let's have a look at this start for free then, shall we? Why not Telegram for free? Because I don't want it. I really don't want to use Telegram. I'm sorry. I've got my phone set up in a certain way. WhatsApp and iMessage. Nothing more. Like, I'm willing to pay like a couple quid a month just to have it work in the way that I want it to work, you know? Does that make sense or not really? Okay, verify your email. Okay, so it actually needs my phone number. You might need to put in some credits for WhatsApp. Yeah, bro. Isn't Telegram primarily used for illegal activities nowadays? No, not anymore. That's Signal, bro. Ew, SMS 2FA. I don't think it's 2FA. I think this is actually to text me so I can get the alerts. That's so lit. Cool. What's pay as you go? I kind of want unlimited access to our full suite with no monthly fees or commits. I think pay as you go, right? I just want pay as you go, yeah. Create a customer profile? No, what, Is PayG? What's PayG? What is this? Pay as you go? Yeah, so is Twilio. Why do I want this over what I'm setting up now? I thought you were asking you want a PayG service. Oh no. You can self-host. I don't want to self-host my alert system. I think that's a mistake. Wait, I need to upload a government ID. No, continue with free trial. What the fuck? Okay, I've done the onboarding. I'm not being funny. How does this work? So I need to go on Grafana. Contact points. Add contact point. And then I want... I don't even see it. It's not even here. This thing's not even here. Webhook? Or is Telegram different? I actually don't know. Who are you WhatsApping with this? Myself. Pager duty would be fire. We're having trouble loading this page due to a server error. Try again in a few minutes. Okay, how the fuck do I use this Tweedalo thing? SMS and call routing with Grafana on call. Bro, this is Grafana Enterprise. Maybe this is too much. Maybe there's an easier thing for me to do than this. Get a trial phone number. Okay, this isn't gonna work. I'm doing the boss call. Whatever this is not gonna work. Okay? What are you even trying to monitor? Grafana might not be the proper solution for what you're trying to do. I want to fire an alert. I want to fire an alert if the XDP other packets passed goes above 5 million. And I want to fire an alert if the global online players drops by more than 75% within 5 minutes. Pay someone to watch your metrics and spam you when they break. Nathan! You're not doing anything else, right? Oh, okay, that would work with Grafana. Yeah, I thought it would. Wake up would probably be easier unless you actually want a text. I really want a text. I just want to receive a text. Maybe check out pushover. Oh, was that? Oh, yeah, okay. You clicked on the ad? Oh my god, I did. How does this work? Using Prometheus to get stats into Grafana? Yeah. Guys, I won't lie, this is above my knowledge. Grafana has pushover support built in. I see it, I see it. No. No. You can train a dog to alert like diabetes, but for Minecraft servers. True. Wait, I just felt hope. I just got hope. You can use email slash can't use email slash Discord. I don't know. Maybe look into SMS sales that allows you to push messages. Yeah. I don't know. Alerting seems kind of like a lot to set up. And oh, it's almost midnight. Really? Did it seriously take me all fucking day? It seriously take me all day just to set up this one server. Are we so for real? I spent a full day on even less today. Don't worry about it. Fair enough. Well, at least that's up now. And honestly, it wasn't that hard to migrate everything. I thought it would be a lot harder. But it was actually so okay. It was actually so okay. Hightail or Realm tomorrow, Tubbo? It's Friday. Yo, Deo A, are we? Thank you so much for the Prime. I'm tired, bro. Bro, what are you even trying to do? We've done it. We've done it now. I'm just trying to think if there's any other jobs I need to do. Any other miscellaneous jobs or things or doohickeys. So one of your moderators told Chatter to die. This is unacceptable. Which one? Yeah. Well, I'm glad it's up. I'm glad all this shit is working, but also like, damn, bro. The VPS is down again. You're kidding. Okay, it's back. I'm like, what the fuck? What is up with that VPS? It's been down 3 times today. Crazy. Actually crazy. Being less of a VPS and more of a VPOS. True. True. Wheat haters in chat. Rice is good grain. Wheat is a shit one though. I love bread. That's wheat. These stats look like my brain waves. Which one in particular? Care to go into detail? I should probably actually set up the correct thresholds on this as well. This is done in bytes. So 25. Okay, wait. Well, what's that as a number? How many zeros is that? Is that 13 zeros? Is that 13 zeros? Thank you. Wait, let's test the theory. Okay, Zone tells me this won't work. %, of what? I don't understand this. I actually don't understand this. I don't understand threshold mapping. Hi Tubbo, hi everyone, hello. Add 12 zeros. Add 12 zeros. Is that really it? Is it really that simple? We've already 14. And if I change this to a 16? Oh. And 15 would be red again. Oh. Okay, thank you. So that's now correct. Lit. And then this threshold doesn't actually need that, so I'm just going to set this to blue. Lit! No red on the dashboard. Love to see it. Love to see it. No red on the dashboard, boys. My dashboard's come a long day. Quickfire, what's layer 4? I don't fucking know. Something that VAC takes care of. That's what layer 4 is. Something that VAC takes care of. Not my problem. Is it TCP UD shit? P shit? No. Who wins? Wait, is it? TCP UDP shit? Layer 4? What? Into network. Intro to networking class saves me yet again. Yes? I don't know. Maybe. What's NMP? Guess. Network Mapping Protocol. I don't fucking know. Close. No more pigeons. That's not bad. No more Prometheus. Blows up the new database. Fuck! Not my problem. Oh. Close. Layer 1 is physical, like signaling on the cable. Then Ethernet frames for 2, IP for 3, UDP, TCP, SCTP for 4, and onwards. Then what's 7? Because layer 7 attacks are like application specific, like application specific exploits. Apps. Oh. Then what the fuck's layer 8? It doesn't go higher than layer 7, does it? Politics is layer 8. Layer 8 is the user. Whatever. What does it even mean? I'm freaking layer 8. Layer 9 is Mother Nature. Layer 10 is black hole. Yeah. The network's down. Why? Black hole. Black hole, bruh. Well, I'm glad this is all sorted. Did you get the new Grafana press up? I know. I told us these messages, but I just can't prove it. I do. I do. New Grafana. Amazing hosting service, dude. It's fine. It has a shit ton of issues is what it has. If anyone ever describes an issue higher than layer 7, it's either your fault, the government's fault, or the universe. Acknowledge your achievements, though. No, I mean, it's cool. It's just been such a fucking headache at the minute. Do layers go below 0? Layer 0 is like hardware failure. No? To my knowledge. Layer 1 is like the cables and interconnect. Layer 0 is like hardware. So like, you're running a motherboard that doesn't support that NIC. That would be a layer 0 issue. No? Layer -1. Is there a layer 0? I thought it was just hardware failure. I thought that was what it is. I might be wrong though. I might be wrong. This image is 4 years old. No, L equals ratio plus your band. Damn, I forget Twitch used to look so much better than it does now. Crazy, crazy. Why is the Hightail graph so flat? Because it updates every 10 minutes. So, streamer, what are you doing for the next hour and a half? What do you mean? They want DJ. True. Jesus Christ. I have so many hosts. I need to clean that shit up. The server farm must go. Make nice folders. I should make nice folders. You just leaked your IP. No, I didn't. I leaked maybe part of the IP block, which is 62141.620:/24, but that doesn't matter. Everything on that's public. Those have been known. It was 192.168.0.1. True. What terabytes incoming? Hacking the mainframe. Yeah, we're sending in that many terabytes. That much terabit. All of the internet traffic for the last 10 years times 100. Bypassing the firewall. I'm in. I'm in. You think you're past the firewall, but there's a second secret firewall. I found something you might want to look up behind Cloudflare Access. Unsure as it's public or not. Send it. What is it? Send it in chat. Let us see. We'll investigate if it should be public or not. Panel.emirates.p.play.hosting. No, that's fine. That's fine. That's just a dedicated customer. That doesn't matter. I love the secret hightail password that totally isn't PNR. True. I've just bypassed the mainframe. I'm moving on to the quantum firewall using TB level encryption to dodge my Docker attacks. What the fuck am I reading in the Twitch chat right now? What the fuck are we saying, girl? Like, stop. That's what I'm thinking. What the fuck are we saying in the Twitch chat right now? I can't believe my Grafana is so smooth. You wanna know what I want to try to do? I want to see if I can get my Grafana dashboards to display on my CRTV. Does it involve Tubbo finishing your sentences? Yes. I think that would be cool. What's going on? We had a Grafana monitor at work. It was awesome and scary. That's cool. That's cool. Fruitberries is playing Counter-Strike 2. That's awesome. Hello, what are you working on? We set up this database, which tracks all of this. I love Grafana, yes. Yes. It's all going okay. We are heading into chill time a bit now. Just chatting category swap. Well, I'm just trying to think if there's anything else I want to do. I'm dead in the ditch. Classic. Where is Benson these days? Just on my bed at home. He's chill. Should we see if I can get my CRT TV to display Grafana? That could be so funny. I feel like I don't really have a background which works for stuff like that, you know? I'm thinking maybe I move this big sofa to my house. And then maybe I do up my stream background a bit. You know? You know what I'm saying? Like, do up this bit a bit. What is Headstrick's tool like? Looks interesting. I don't know. I just thought it'd kind of be like, maybe I take this sofa and I put it in my house. Also, it's so nice having a sofa here, bro. You can start by hanging up the paintings. True. True. This bit here is a bit plain, isn't it? That needs a bit of something. That needs a bit of something, for real. Maybe I also move my camera to be this angle. Here. Move it to be there. So it's like this side of me. I don't know. Maybe switch and put... change? I don't know, bro. Hey, I'm back. How's stream been going? It's been going chill. If we start a petition to keep the door in frame, you want the door? The door's not in frame anyway, bro. It's only in frame now because the camera's totally zoomed out. Stop looking at your phone. Fuck you. I can look at my phone as much as I want. I've been live already 6 hours today. And I'm texting Beth, bro. Roz branded still. Phone still. I got the Roz phone. Okay, boys. I think I'm gonna call it. We'll be back tomorrow, though. I will see you lot tomorrow. Alright. See you tomorrow. Bye, gang.